Bismillah Rahman Rahim. The opening pair Najibullah and Arshad. On the other side, Asad is the bowler, such a great bowler, such a sensible bowler, fast and furious. He's always tried to set a good example for his team members. So Najibullah, a brand of Sialkot, choosing MRS brand. So get ready to watch. It's a great contest. 55 runs is the target. The first ball of this over. That's a huge void, not a very good start. Asad is such a sensible bowler, always setting a good example for his team members. Such a skillful person. But Najibullah, he is such a sensible batsman. Once again, Najibullah is on fire. The first ball of this over. There we go. Perfect Yorker that was. That should be a single. Nicely taken without any hesitation. So the new batsman is Arshad. He is also using MRS brand. Such a great batsman. Always setting a good example. Always try to perish the reputation of the bowler. Once again, the shot. Oh, that was a perfect Yorker. Ahmed is such a sensible bowler, always setting a good example. Always try to create problems for the opponents. He's always tried to use his skills. He's always tried to use his experience. Such a seasoned person, such a skillful person. So once again, the third ball of this over. Get ready to watch. Perfect Yorker. Arshad is totally confused. Oh, that should be out. That was very close to the wickets. There is a little confusion between the batsmen and the fielders. Once again, Najibullah. Mangal is the fielder. Such a poor fielding. Mangal is such a great fielder, but very unfortunately, he was unable to take the catch. Ahmed is try to use his skills. Once again, Najibullah. Ahmed has to do something very special today. Good shot. That should be a six. Yes, it is. What a shot. What a sixer. That was really unbelievable. That was really a huge sixer. That was really unbelievable. Very impressive. Truly remarkable. Truly memorable. The last ball of this over. Najibullah is the batsman. Ahmed is in trouble. But in spite of all this, he's tried to set a good example. Ground shot, that should be a one. Kashi is the fielder. Poor fielding. Snaula is the fielder. Nicely taken. 13 runs after 1 over. Najibullah is the batsman. On the other side, Pervez, a new talent, a young man, such a skillful person. So get ready to watch a great contest. Pervez is the bowler. What a shot. Yes, that should be a six. Through the covers, what a shot, what a player. That was really unbelievable. Truly very, very impressive. Najibullah is on fire. Such a skillful batsman. Always set a good example. Once again, Pervez is the bowler. The second ball is off this over. That should be a single, comfortably taken, without any hesitation. Arshad is the batsman. It's a very pleasant morning, but it's also a scorchingly hot today. Both teams are enjoying the weather conditions. Once again, Arshad is the batsman. Perfect Yorker that was. Oh, once again, Najibullah is the bowler. 10 runs after 2 balls. That should be a 6. Yes! What a shot! What a sixer! That was really unbelievable. That was truly a huge sixer. Very impressive. A truly remarkable, truly memorable. Consecutive boundaries, back-to-back sixers. Absolutely very expensive today. Pervez is in trouble. He has to change his line. So it's a free hit. Overstrapping is a big problem for the bowler. Oh, that was fast and furious. Najibullah was unable to understand how to play effectively. Pervez is such a sensible bowler, but on the other side, Najibullah is also such a skillful person, such experienced and a seasoned person. Once again, he's on fire. Catches the call. 2 fielders are there, but no one is interested to take the catch. Simply, you are breaking the backbone of the bowler. It's a great opportunity for Najibullah. Catches win matches. It's a famous proverb, but no one is interested to remember. Drop the catch, creating a big problem for the bowler. Also for his team members. 3 consecutive fielders are there, but very unfortunately, oh, what a shot, flicked away into the stands. That should be a 2. Short boundary is a big problem for the both side. 32 runs after 2 overs. Irshad is the batsman. Ahmed is the bowler. Ahmed has decided to take the responsibility and to prove himself that he is the best. Once again. Oh, good shot. That should be a 2. That should be a 6. What a shot. What a player. Irshad is on fire. 38 runs after 2.1 overs. The second ball of this over. Ahmed is the bowler. Good shot. Catches the call. Jumahan is the fielder. Once again, poor fielding. Juma is not interested to take the catch. It's a great opportunity for Irshad to prove himself. In my humble opinion, it's truly a nonsensical attitude from Cautious 11. The fielders are not interested to take the catch. When you are not interested to take the catch, simply you are trying to destroy the reputation of the bowler. You are trying to perish the reputation of the bowler. So always try to take interest and to perform according to the demands of your team members, according to the demands of the spectators. Once again, the third ball of this over. Najibullah is the batsman. Good shot. That should be a 6. Yes. What a shot. What a sixer. Najibullah is on fire. He is taking the advantage that the last over his catch was, the fielder was dropped it in a lollipop. So Najibullah is on fire. Ahmed is the bowler. Oh, what a shot! Back-to-back sixers. What a shot! What a player! That was really a huge sixer. Najibullah is on fire. Gulhan 11 has won the match. Truly unbelievable. That was really unexpected for Cautious 11. Najibullah is on fire. A brand of Sialkot once again proved himself that he is truly a brand of Sialkot. Gulhan 11 enjoying the whole match. It's a great opportunity for Gulhan 11s.